sets of international advanced fine machining equipment consisting of high-precision inspection instruments, sophisticated manufacturing techniques, and strict control programs, which fully ensures product quality and wins approval of the clients. The electric diaphragm pump, independently developed by our company, has excellent quality and reliable operation. Structure characteristics. 1. Direct power to use. There is no need for water filling or diversion, and its self-priming capacity is above 5 meters. The flow rate is less affected by the lift, and it can pass various particles of less than 10 millimeters and can transport various chemicals, foods, high-viscosity liquids, high-temperature liquids below 150 degrees, etc. 2. Compared with a traditional type of pump, the overall design is more reasonable and compact. The operation is smooth and noiseless, and the transmission efficiency is higher. At the same time, the mass and volume decreased by about 50%. 3. According to different working conditions, the flow-through part can adopt cast iron, stainless steel, aluminum alloy, engineering plastics, PTFE, etc., and the motor includes 3 types: common, explosion-proof, and speed regulation, used in various situations. 4. The pump has no rotating parts, no shaft seal, and no damage to the transport medium. The internal diaphragm will be separated by the working medium and the transmission machinery, so the medium can by no means leak outwards. Through 20 years of exploration and practice, it have developed more than 10 kinds of diaphragm, seal, and pump body materials with different properties, such as Santoprene rubber, PTFE, fluorine rubber, and food-grade rubber, which can cope with various complex working conditions. Working principle. Motor utilizes reduction gearbox to drive the diaphragms on piston shaft of left and right sides move back and forth. The motion of the upper and lower 4-ball non-return valve diaphragms, installed inside the 2 left and right pump chambers, causes the volume inside working chamber to change. Forces 4-ball non-return valve alternately opened and closed so as to continuously suck and exhaust medium. The electric diaphragm pump, produced by QIWEI Industrial Pump, are widely applied to such industrial areas as chemical, pharmaceutical, environmental, petroleum, food, printing and dyeing. Well received and trusted by customers. We sincerely welcome new and old clients to visit for sharing business opportunities.